Monetary policy is going to remain the focus this week. Last week, we had the Fed making that very hawkish statement, talking about tapering, bringing forward their rate hike expectations. This has left us in the markets wondering whether the frothiness in financial markets is going to come off more practically in a local sense, whether the Rand has now possibly reached the strongest level it has. We've already had a decent Rand pullback with a more hawkish Fed. Is that going to be the policy direction from here? So what we're watching this week is very much continued Fed speak, numerous Feds, 2 to 3 Fed speakers every day this week, including most importantly Powell speaking on Tuesday in front of the US Congress, his semi-annual address. If the Fed can continue this hawkish tone, maybe the Rand trend is turning around. We also get a lot of ECB speak with Lagarde speaking in front of Parliament. On the local front, policy also in focus as we get our local CPI figure. We are expect the consensus is for a 5.1% inflation read, which will be the highest this cycle. From here, base effects imply inflation will come down. On the other data front, US core PCE inflation measure out on Friday. Remember, that's the main inflation measure that the Fed watches. Locally, we'll be watching COVID numbers. We're seeing a very rapid acceleration in cases, and it's looking like we are going to see a long third wave in the cycle. Good luck for the week ahead.